So what exactly is science under nature? Well, our modus operandi is right in our name, which is science under nature, because science should always come second to nature. Science is great. It's taught us a lot of things, often through very rough experiences in the past. And it gives us some parameters to work within. Well, looking at Mother Nature here, she is beautiful, perfect, abundant, so abundant, and she has so much that we have yet to unlock in her beauty, her majesty, her wonderfully delightful offerings of fruit and vegetables and nourishment. How could we not look at her and want to take care of her as she takes care of us? It just seems silly to do anything but. So that truly is the essence of science under nature. Learning how to become a big, beautiful, happy family and working more happily with her.